Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris wiper blades. First, ensure your car is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the hook. Some blades might require a slight twist. Once removed, carefully set the old blade aside. Take a moment to inspect the wiper arm for any signs of damage or corrosion. Installing the new blade is just as simple. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide it on until you hear a click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these simple steps for the other wiper blade. Finally, it's time to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your car and use the windshield washer fluid to activate them. Observe their movement to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield without streaks. This simple maintenance task helps maintain clear visibility for safer driving. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.